Drain the coolant on the citern. Remember, safety first. First, turn the cap of the expansion reservoir half a turn anti-clockwise. This will reduce the pressure. Then screw the cap off completely. Raise the vehicle. Then remove the lower engine covering. It's now time to drain the coolant. Again, put on protective clothing. First, remove the lower radiator hose from the radiator. To do this, open this clamp. Caution: use a suitable container to collect the coolant. Then mount the hose again. Clean off any remaining liquid and install the lower engine cover again. Continue on the ground. The tools in this case are now used. They include the test nozzle, the inlet hose and the control unit. Put the test nozzle on the expansion reservoir and the control unit on the top. Put the Venturi nozzle on the control unit. Fill the collected or newly mixed coolant into the filling tank. Connect this to the inlet hose. Plug the drain hose into an empty container. Now connect the pressure hose to the Venturi nozzle and open the drain valve. Also the inlet valve. But close this again once the hose is filled with coolant. Now a vacuum is generated in the cooling system. Once the indicator is in the green zone, you can close the drain valve. Disconnect the pressure hose from the Venturi and check whether the vacuum remains stable. Then open the inlet valve again, as now the cooling system is filled with liquid and the vacuum is vented. When no more coolant is sucked in, open the drain valve so the coolant remaining in the hose flows back into the filling tank. Take off the equipment and check the coolant level. This must not exceed the maximum mark. Check that the cooling system is watertight. Put on a pressure pump and test the system with 1.4 bar. If this value remains stable, release the pressure again. The coolant system is watertight. Your work is done.